name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as in heaven. Give us Give us this day our daily bread. What are you doing?
Sleeping.
You sleeping?
Now he's just pretending.
Yeah, I know, because we were laughing at him.
Is it funny every time?
Good act. Are you
Hey, whatever to get the attention, right, buddy? I know the feeling.
You're so silly.
Alright, finish the prayer.
For thine is the kingdom.
Wait, say protect me.
Protect me.
Alright, no doing that. He's tired.
Protect me from the evil one.
What is it? Keep me from temptation.
What?
Keep me from temptation. What is it?
What,
Keep
do
me
you
from...
have your own prayer?
No.
That's not
What
the
is it? The
Bible.
temptation one.
Lead us not into
Yes.
temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom